This is Print Lab TV, always the best.
Hello guys, welcome back to Israel Auto Jamming channel. So today I'm featuring Danny Roy on my channel, and we'll be talking about businesses you can start online and make about 100,000 naira plus monthly. So these are businesses you can start online. You don't need capital. All you need is just maybe the skills and some other things. You need data, you need a system or a mobile phone. So I'll mention one, is going to mention one, and we'll start like that till we get exhausted, or we exhaust all the possible options we have in our memory, So I'm starting first. So the first one is content marketing. Now when I mean content marketing, I mean blogging, YouTubing, and creating content. It could be the likes of comedy, could be tutorials, could be, in short, two things make up content marketing. It's either informational, that's a tutorial, educational, or it is entertainment. So you have to think of, if you are going in the line of tutorial, then you should decide the kind of things you want, the skills you know and you want to teach. Now on the other hand, if it's informational or educational, then it could be any training that involves, educational could be teaching graphics, teaching anything. So the first one is what? Content marketing. So Danny Roy, your own, please.
Now the second one is as simple as it sounds, filling surveys, paid surveys. So we have companies, we have institutions that want to know more about
their products,
and they want to do more research.
Okay.
So then they get these third parties to actually help them get people to fill out those surveys. So you being a person who wants money, it's a quick way to get money. You just filling the survey, filling many surveys. The faster you fill in surveys, the more you have money. The money will credit into your account. So we have an example like Swagbox. They help. You can fill in so many other surveys, so many other websites you can fill in surveys and earn quick money.
Okay, nice one. So for me, I think the next one is affiliate marketing. There are lots of platforms where you can actually promote products for companies. We have the likes of Commission Junction, we have Share SEO, we have ClickBank. There are lots of them, and beyond these popular ones, you can actually look for smaller companies, organizations like hosting companies, even local ones in Nigeria. Here we have the likes of TrueHost. They have affiliate marketing platforms. So all you have to do is register and promote your links. The more people register, the more money you make, and the more you can make by the end of the month. So you don't need to build the website. All you need to do is just get the link. You have friends that want to build a website, send the link to them to register through you and sell to them. So that's it. So you can make a whole lot of money from affiliate marketing. We have one that is trending now, which is Expertnaire. I've seen people make millions of naira. So if you also want to get started, you can also look for products that fit into what you do or what your interests are, and you can promote those products and make money. So that's mine.
Yeah, so another way to make money is actually being a promoter of music, of people's songs. Now how do you do this? The simple way to do this, there's a website called Use Balloon. It's useballoon.com. So it's a website that you actually input your details and register, and then they help you as an evangelist, as they call it. You are going to help a musician to actually promote his song or his brand by on TikTok. You can use TikTok, you can use Instagram, you can use Facebook as a social channel. Then you actually feature yourself in a video singing that song or using the song as a background music, and they can pay you as much as 10,000 or 20,000 if they like your work. So useballoon.com is a great way to actually promote
so
brand and make money from it.
Well, the fifth one, which I'm talking about right now, is betting. It sounds funny, but it's just the truth. A lot of persons actually make a lot of money from the internet via betting. All they need to do is just look for small capital, maybe like 1K, 2K. People make like 1 million even with 100 naira. So it depends on them. I am not advertising or advocating for it, but if that's what you want to do, then yeah, go for it. If you know how to do it, if you understand sports, you understand matches, you watch ball, you watch football, so, and you can predict, then you can make money. So it's an avenue for you to make over 100k monthly, and that's it. Anyway,
Yeah, also one of the easiest way to make money, especially when you have followers on Instagram, especially Instagram, it's a very great way to generate revenue. Now you become an influencer, and people say influencer maybe it's being an influencer is hard because you have to have a million followers. No, just as little as 1k followers. If you have 10k, it's great. If you have 4k, it's great. Just as little as 1k followers, you can generate a lot of revenue. Like an app called iInfluencer, iInfluencer, AI influencer. You join the app and then you help brands to promote their products. They can pay you as much as $500 if they actually pleased with your work. So you can just be an influencer and then bring in money. You know, and just having the followers and promoting brands.
that's cool. Then I'm talking about selling your skills digitally, sell your skills online, and this can be done by signing up on different freelancing platforms. We have the likes of fixabay.com. In short, I built fixabay.com, and it's good. So we have the likes of Upwork, we have the likes of Fiverr. Now these are platforms where almost any skill can be sold digitally. One of my female friends that is a lawyer, she sells her skills also via the platform. You know, editing documents, letters and all. And if you're a graphic designer, you can also upload your products there. That's your designs. If you are a graphic designer, web designer, digital marketer, SEO specialist and all, so these are skills you can actually monetize on the internet and you make a whole lot of money. And it's so good that the internet is a world on its own and it has no borders. So by default, you can monetize your skills from any part of the world with ease, just at the comfort of your home. So if you have a lot of clients, you don't need to get a 9-to-5 job. All you have to do is meet new people online, tell them what you can do, and sell your skills. That's all. So, like I said, selling your skills and freelancing online, that's a good way to make money. Daniel?
Yeah, another way to make money then is selling data online. Selling data online. Now, the first time I actually bought data online because I just used to recharge from my phone directly. So I was introduced to this guy and he actually sold data at a cheaper rate. And immediately I was able to buy from him and I discovered he was legit. I started, getting my data.
Yeah, so they call it VTU. Yeah.
So you can, as a person, engage in data selling because once you do, you have a lot. Because you find the average Nigerian spend thousands on data every month, even every week. They spend a lot of money on data. So you have a lot of customers. You actually buy data and sell at a cheaper rate, cheaper than what MTN, Glo, Airtel will sell, and you make a lot of money from it.
Yeah. So lastly, on my part, I would I would say you can also make money by selling ebooks. This can be in form of Amazon Kindle, or you create a platform more like an e-commerce platform and you sell ebooks. What you need to do is, for example, if you're a farmer, you can write a book on how to start okra farming and sell, upload on a platform. People buy digitally. So per download, they pay. Now another thing is you can write on, let's say, how to start catfish farming, things you should know about catfish farming, medicines or drugs for catfish farmers and all. So that's it. So selling ebooks would actually give you money because we are about 7 billion people on the earth. Now, out of the 7 billion people, we have a whole lot of persons that want what you know. And what you have to do, all you have to do is just turn whatever knowledge you have into a book, upload on your platform, and people keep buying.
It's like Smashwords.
Yeah, so we have Amazon Kindle where you don't even have to publish it. All you have to do is design, upload your book on the platform. People download, they order from the platform, and the platform prints and sends and dispatches to their house. So you don't have to do anything other than just to design the book and upload. But beyond that, you can also have your own platform And if you think you can't do it on your own, you can drop a comment below, because I'll be right there and I will give you an advice on what you can do. And if you also want me to help you design your ebook, I could do that for almost free. So all you have to do is just drop a comment, subscribe, and let me know what you want. So that's it. And do you still have anything to say?
No, that's it for now.
That's all for now. Okay, like you said, that's all for now. And for my part also, that's all for now. But please don't leave this channel without subscribing. And beyond this, I'm gonna tag Danny Roy on this video. So after watching this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and visit his channel to subscribe also. He has some great content there, and I believe you will love them. Have a great day, and bye for now.